Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Eliot, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers will ensure that your local relocation within the city is seamless. They are a licensed local operating moving company and have been here for years, garnering experiences from handling relocations for locals. Today, they are easily the go-to movers for all types of relocations across Eliot. They pay attention to your requirements and ensure they handle your moving according to your needs. Their team is efficient in handling clients' packing. They also have the safety materials for packing and keep your belongings safe as they transport them to your new home. They can effortlessly provide hitch-free services for you. Long-distance relocation covers lengthy distances, and because of this, the pricing differs from local relocation. While local movers will facilitate relocation at an hourly rate, long-distance movers' billing rate is determined by the length of your relocation and will cover the total property you are relocating with. The unique challenges posed in long-distance moving bother around the safety of your belongings across the distance. Hence, if you're going to Eliot from another state or country, you should work with a moving company known for having adequate safety measures for your items in transit. 3 Movers are renowned experts in providing safe relocation for your belongings under their care. The security of your items remains their topmost priority, and they have established an efficient system to accomplish that. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eliot moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.